LIC holds 51% share in which following bank? It is IDBI Limited. Which is not Kharif Fasal in the following option? Answer is wheat. Which country is below from India in a global under index? It is Nigeria. If we see the rank of both this country, India ranks at 94th and Nigeria ranks at 98th. The share of digital transaction in the volume of non-cash retail payment increased to what percent from 95.4% in the previous year according to RBI? It is 97. Who is the first woman to be appointed chairman of SAIL? It is Soma Mondal. PM recently launched 5 lighthouse project for which field? It is for housing. Where hypersonic wind tunnel has been launched recently? It is in Hyderabad. Recently, India became third country to launch hypersonic wind tunnel. Which are the first two countries? They are US and Russia. Where is Satpura Tiger Reserve? It is in Madhya Pradesh. Who became the first woman to be fourth umpire in the India and Australia match? It is Clary Polosuk. What I denotes in QIP? I denotes institutionals. If we see the full form of QIP, it is Qualified Institutional Placement. Dreams of My Father, A Story of Praise and Inheritance, written by whom? It is Barack Obama. Which is an investment insurance facility established in 1988 to encourage confident investment in developing country? It is Multilateral Investment Guarantee Agency. What is an amount for agriculture infrastructure fund for next 4 years? It is 1 lakh crore. What is limit set by RBI for wage and means advances for second half of the financial year 2020 and 21? It is 1.25. GRIA is a rating tool that helps people assess the performance of their building against certain nationally acceptable benchmarks. It evaluates the environment performance of a building holistically over its entire life cycle. What as indicated in GRIA? It is Habitat. The full form of GRIA is Green Rating for Integrated Habitat Assessment. Koti Pakoti has how many zero? It is 21. Where is rubber bridge made from tree roots, also known as a living bridge? It is in Meghalaya. The third designer of Sansad Bhavan, apart from Edwin Lutyens and Herbert Baker. Who is third one? I couldn't find the answer for third one. If you know, please let me know in the comment box. Java bike relaunched by which company? It is Mahindra. Cabinet approved next round of telecom spectrum auction, which is expected to fetch how much amount? It is 3.92 lakh crore. The largest producer of crude oil? It is USA. What was the theme for second cohort under the regulatory sandbox? It was cross-border payment. The Reserve Bank of India more than doubled the limits for contactless card and recurring payments through multiple modes to further boost cashless transaction. What is the name of that card? It is UPI AutoPay. The Security and Exchange Board of India (SEBI) has doubled the limit of overseas investment for individual fund houses to $600 million. However, the industry-wide cap for investing abroad remains unchanged at what? It is 7 billion. Which one is incorrect regarding PM Vaya Vandana Yojana? It is the tenure is 15 years, but the tenure is 10 years. Which is the largest network of shared automated teller machine in India? It is NAF. The full form of NAF is National Financial Switch. Lowest fertility rate in which country? It is Singapore. State Bank raised how much amount through overseas bond? It is $600 million. RBI extended the deadlines for applicability of centralized KYC. It is 1st of April 2021. I have 4 more questions. I am unable to recall them properly. If you know, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you.